First, download and extract the zip file. I have included both 2018 and 2019 plus files. You can change the font in the 2019 version template. Let me show you how to edit the template. Locate the missing files here. Import your logo. Open the logo sequence and drag the logo to the template. Go to Effects Control to resize the image. Click on the graphic template and go to Essential Graphics. Now select Template to edit text. Now, let me show you how to export this template as an overlay with transparent background. Set the format to QuickTime. Locate where you want to save the file. Select Animation and Video Codec. Click on Match Source. Select BPC plus Alpha. Use maximum render quality. Let me show you how to use the template. Import the template and any video or image. That's it. Thanks for watching.